In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Beehiiv upload error quickly and safely using a simple step-by-step process that can help you get your file uploaded without wasting time. Whether you're uploading a newsletter file, image, or other supported asset, this guide will walk you through the most common causes and the easiest fixes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account and make sure you're in the correct workspace or publication. Sometimes upload issues happen because the page didn't load properly, so the very first thing to try is a quick refresh of the page. A simple refresh can clear temporary loading problems and fix small glitches without any extra work. Next, check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, slow, or dropping in and out, Beehiiv may fail to complete the upload. Try switching Wi-Fi networks, reconnecting to the internet, or testing another connection if available. Once that's done, verify that the file format is supported. Beehiiv may only accept certain file types depending on what you're uploading, so double-check that your file matches the platform's requirements. If the format isn't supported, convert it to the correct type before trying again. After that, take a look at the file size. If the file is very large, it may time out or fail to upload properly. In that case, reduce the file size by compressing it or exporting it again with lighter settings. Smaller files are usually easier for the platform to handle and upload more reliably. Another thing that can cause problems is the file name itself. Rename the file using simple characters only. Avoid special symbols, unusual punctuation, or long, complicated names. A clean file name with letters, numbers, underscores, or dashes is usually the safest option. Now try uploading the file again. In many cases, one of those simple fixes will solve the issue right away. If it still doesn't work, move on to browser troubleshooting. Clear your browser cache and cookies because stored data can sometimes interfere with how Beehiiv loads or processes uploads. After clearing that data, restart your browser and return to Beehiiv. If the error continues, disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, since they can sometimes prevent upload tools from working correctly. If you still see the error, open Beehiiv in an incognito window. This helps you test the site without your saved cache, cookies, or most extensions affecting the session. If the upload works in incognito mode, then the issue is likely caused by a browser setting or extension. If it still fails, try a different browser altogether. For example, if you're using Chrome, test Safari, Firefox, or Edge because browser-specific issues can sometimes cause upload errors. Another useful step is to log out of Beehiiv completely and then log back in. This can refresh your session and fix account-related glitches that might be blocking the upload. Finally, check that the file is not corrupted. If the file was damaged during download, export, or transfer, Beehiiv may refuse to upload it even if everything else looks correct. Try opening the file on your device first, or re-exporting it from the original source if needed. By following these steps in order, you can usually fix a Beehiiv upload error without needing technical support. Start with the easiest checks first, then work your way through the browser and file troubleshooting until the upload goes through. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.